How many locks do I actually have? Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about my Microlocs as well as answering the question, how many locks do I have? Okay, so can we just appreciate how good my locks look? It's freshly washed. You would have seen that in part 3 of my Microlocs install. I shared with you what product I was using. If you haven't seen that video yet, I definitely recommend you watch it. So let's get into all about my Microlocs. A lot of you guessed what my lock count would be after I asked in my part 1 of my install video. I asked how many locks you think I'd end up with. So it's going to be really interesting to see who is actually the closest in guessing. I think there were like 2 or 3 people maybe that guessed the closest, so let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is my hair type. I don't believe that anyone has just one hair type in their head, and for me hair typing is just a way to understand your hair more. I don't think there's really an issue with it, but if you don't care about hair typing, then you probably won't care about this. Anyways, so my hair is 4C and 4B. I have pretty dense hair, I would say. Seems like my hair is medium density around like these areas, like right here, and then I have high density like in the crown. That took the longest to interlock from my mom. So the lighting keeps changing because the sun is out and there are also clouds passing over the sun, so to keep adjusting the lighting. But yeah, so I have medium and high density throughout my entire head. So my length of hair is 2 to 3 inches. It's about 2.5 to 3 inches on the sides, 3 inches in the front area, and then the middle, this area is more like 2 to 2.5 inches. The back is like 2.5 or so inches. So overall, my hair ranges from 2 to 3 inches. So if your hair is my length, yes, you can get Microlocs installed, but I would definitely recommend doing the interlocking method. If you didn't know already and you haven't caught up with my previous videos, I definitely recommend you check those out. Then you would know that my mom installed all of my Microlocs, and it took a total of almost 27 hours to get them all installed. And we spread out the time over 8 days, more like 7 days, so 27 hours over 7 days. The method used to install my locks was the interlocking method. I'm also going to be using interlocking to maintain my hair, that's for sure. So my desired lock count was anywhere between 400 and 500. I didn't want to have more than 600 locks, but I also am really happy with the sizing. I think that a 1/4 inch sizing is really good for what I want to achieve with my hair, which is density while my hair is straight. I just want to have really dense, thick looking hair. So I think a 1/4 inch parts are gonna help me achieve that. And we did a 1/4 inch parts throughout my entire head. We did not alter the size depending on the density of my hair. We just kept it a 1/4 inch for all of my hair. Okay, so if you like the video so far, definitely make sure to subscribe, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I have gotten a bunch more Royals who are joining the Royal family. So definitely comment below, click the bell so that you know whenever I post a new video. Now let's get into my lock count. How many locks do I actually have? So here's what my hair looks like. Okay, any last minute guesses? Pause the video and comment down below what you think my lock count is. What is my lock count? So my lock count is, drumroll, 577 locks. So I have 577 locks. I was not planning on having this many locks, but I'm just embracing it. It's not more than 600. So I think it's going to mature really nicely. And even at this length, like I am loving this length. It honestly feels so nice to have locks again. I feel like this is just it's just me. Like, locks are just me. So comment below if you are starting a loc journey. Comment below if you also did a big chop, but you know that you're gonna go back to locks. I feel like there are a lot of us out there like that, who had locks, cut off their locks, but they always knew they were gonna go back to locks again. Maybe to change their size, get bigger locks, get smaller locks. I feel like there are a lot of us like that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I just wanted to make it nice and quick. Oh, I almost forgot. So I believe the people who were the closest to guessing, hold on, let me go back. A lot of people were guessing in the 500 range, 500 and the 400 range. So yeah, there was someone who guessed 600 locks. Ajahin Korea, I hope I'm saying that right. Yeah, Bindi Mark also guessed 600, so she was close as well. A lot of people guessed like 500. Someone else guessed 546. T Love Speaks guessed 550, so she was really close as well. Yeah, so like a couple of people, I think like around 5 actually, maybe between like 3 to 5 people guessed really close to my total loc count. So yeah, shout out to you for estimating really well. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to become a lot more active on my Instagram. I haven't been in the past, so I'm trying to become more active on there. So definitely follow me on Instagram. And I usually post, well, I'm starting to post more about my hair, and I created a highlight on my Instagram just showing like the different stages of my Microlocs install, and I will continue to update that and probably create more highlights for my locks for like the month updates. So definitely follow me on Instagram to stay updated on there. I am making an effort to post more frequently. Comment below any questions you have about my locks, and I would love to answer them down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!